Taco Bell.
Taco Bell. The
Cinnabon Delight.
Cinnabon iced coffee delight. It's so good.
We got Cinnabons.
Some sushi.
Yeah. Great mixture of food.
Oh shit. Some mother and daughter hanging out.
Pretty good.
I gotta get unbuckled because I can't lift my ass up.
If I had jeans on, I'd be putting them down.
I think I want to get the salad and the bread. Oh, we got soup too, Haley.
Mom, you gotta warm the soup up.
I know. I'm gonna eat it right now. Do you have chopsticks?
Mm-hmm. I have extras too. In the bag.
Lock your doors. This is paparazzi.
We have new Publix in our area. I gotta go try it out. I would need to marinate that in it so it'd soften up a little bit.
This?
Especially with the radishes, yeah.
Oh, I love radishes. I need like a thing to put it up on.
Mm-hmm.
Newbies.
There we go.
Oh, those little things are hot.
What's hot?
Radishes.
The radishes.
I want salt though.
I'm not a fan of radishes. Put some ranch
What's
on
that?
it.
A mushroom?
Mm-hmm.
I'm not supposed to eat salad, but you know, sometimes you got to be a rebel. Do not let this curiosity. No. I mean, my daughter.
Not even enough.
I just put a little bit on there right now. Because I want salt.
I used to have salt in here. Heck, I'll probably have salt, pepper, and
I'm
salt
using
packet right in there.
I'm using the chopsticks upside down. I see you got ketchup.
Ketchup has salt in it.
Ew, I don't want ketchup on my salad.
I wouldn't do it either. It's just good.
Oh well.
I'd be the little, like, do I not have any, like,
Haley don't want salad, but she's done took over the motherfucker.
because you were doing it right.
We can make bread.
We have too much food already.
I was hungry. I hadn't ate all day. I love mushroom.
Those are good. The coffee's alright. Did you get seasonings? No.
Are you gonna eat that sushi?
Yeah. Sorry, I've been digging on those cinnamon delights. They are delightful.
I don't think I like them.
I was really the bitch at work. But I've been being really nice to her because I want her to be nice to me and I want to be nice to her. And she ended up giving me Cinnabon Delight. Like some of these. She gave me 2 of them at work. I only took 1, but I was like, oh, that's a nice of her. And then the next day I went to go ask her for something. And then she thought, like, I wanted to ask if they had a drill, a specific drill, because I have a battery for it and they had it in their area, but they were using it. Like, hey, do y'all have a dual drill? And she's like, yeah, I don't need y'all to be using our shit and blah, 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 blah. I was like, actually, y'all have my battery. I was just letting you know because we charge it at the same station. So,
I bet.
bitch. But then Bill jumped in, he's like, be nice, be nice, be nice. And she's like, I'm just saying, yeah, it comes across. I was like, oh, I just like act like nothing happened. I was just like, oh, okay, all right, well, I was just letting you know I had y'all's drill battery because you have mine.
Look how Pebbles gyps you now. It used to be all the way up fucking here.
Was it?
Yeah. Now they're little beanie peanut wieners.
She got Crohn's with a whole bag of fucking bread and salad over here. And sushi and coffee.
Crohn's awareness.
Crohn's awareness.
I'll be half dead.
I'll be dead after that coffee. Did you steal my chopsticks, Mother? Where are your chopsticks? What, that mine are right there.
How many pairs of chopsticks did you get, Haley?
3. I always get an extra.
I don't know what you did.
I put them right there because I had to grab the drinkies and pay for the food.
I don't know where the other ones are then.
You got the big old glob of ginger here.
Ew.
Look at my crunchy sushi.
I'm gonna edit it too.
We're gonna have to.
I don't know how to work it back.
Have Jasmine edit it. Tell her to keep the good parts.
None of them.
I know. No. Great.
Jasmine would be like, this is boring, Mom.
But I tried, Jasmine. I want to do that something Mom wanted to do for once.
I know when I don't even want to do them no more. Well, I've already lost hope.
Good timing.
I could have been on 2-year road by now. 2 or 3 years.
I was so camera shy. I still am, but like I don't give a fuck what I look like anymore.
I used to always want to do it, didn't I? I've probably been very popular by now.
You're like Chelsea Lynn.
She's gonna be in Pensacola on the 26th.
And?
I wanna go.
Oh, you want to go visit her? You can say, I'm your biggest fan, Chelsea Lynn. Nick Mackey.
I haven't even been watching Nick Cocotte. He hasn't been really making those. Everybody thinks I'm stupid for watching him.
I don't like him at all.
Huh?
I do not like him at all.
I know. He's funny though. He brought me through some rough times. Damn, look at all them. That's all fucking.
Spinach?
No, them peppers.
Oh.
I should have said no peppers on it.
No peppers, please. Can you take all the peppers out of this for me? I'll eat the peppers. And the little carrots.
That doesn't even bad. It says spinach.
Yeah, I know. Peppers are good. I like when they're thinly sliced.
I don't like these though.
I hate grape tomatoes. I thought you liked those.
Only they got salt on them.
Oh, so you only like them fresh. Like, you used to tell me you used to eat them off like a...
Oh, yeah. Oh, big tomatoes.
Oh, that's what it was? I thought it was those small ones.
I love radish though.
Those are the worst. You like all the weird stuff.
You should eat a radish right out of the ground. So good with the dirty flavor on it.
Probably better than. It's just so spicy.
Ooh, that's a good bite right there.
I like how we went for salad, got sushi, then coffee and cinnamon delight, and a baguette. Heck, if you weren't so dang mean eating with Deb tonight, I'd say let's have pizza. But I can make the pizza at your house here in a little bit and then just eat it tonight later. Like, you can eat it for lunch.
I can't eat anymore, Haley. I think we had too much of a mixture of shit. And it was a weird mixture. The salad was pretty good though. We should have just saved all that spinach for the damn pizza.
I was gonna say that. I was gonna say I need to just get 2 of those and then just put it on the salad. I mean, pizza.
You should have just saved the rest of that one for the pizza shit right there.
Not no mo.
I thought you did the string.
I know, I can't get it to like trying to get food with it. Got our groceries in the back. Getting a load of my double chin.
I'm gonna be just like your mother.
No, I'll work mine out, but
You turn all red.
I think I should have a fucking skinny by now.
Oh my god. Oh, she said I had a shallow mouth.
Yeah, you told me about that. That's a gene that's like getting more and more prominent though, is the shallow jaws and stuff like that, because their jaws are getting smaller and stuff.
It don't look like I have a shallow mouth, does it?
No, you look like you have a wide jaw stance like me.
Uh-huh.
Well, mine's kind of like inverted a little.
It's fat. I knew I had a shallow mouth, though. I cannot. I died.
See, I normally don't have like an issue with it. Like most people, like don't like I can do whatever. Jay, on the other hand, like for some reason, like there's after a certain point, I just can't go further. I'm like, what the fuck? I guess he's really
Is he fat? Oh shit! I forgot we're being recorded.
It can be edited out.
Let's Jasmine leave that part in there. Is he fat?
Should be like.
Yeah, I got that Microsoft Office or whatever on my computer. I don't know if you can do it with that, but
I don't know. They have all kinds of technology nowadays.
yeah.
Sure.
I ain't stopping something. I didn't damn. Here's my steak, bitches. I'm going where the food's getting cooked for me.
I'm be making a damn pizza and eating it later by myself.
We got soup too.
Yeah. And I gotta figure out what I want for tomorrow for lunch at work.
Oh, soup.
You might just have soup.
And bread.
I do not feel me up. I need nutrients. I'll be passing out.
Oh, soup and bread? Oh, what'd you eat at work?
Normally I make sandwiches. Like, I get, I normally like doing honey ham, and then I do the romaine lettuce with honey mustard for my sauce instead of like mayonnaise or something. And then I put whatever else I want on it. Normally pickles too, some other things. It's really good and really crunchy.
I want to start eating like Mediterranean food, but it's so expensive.
I mean, you could, if you bought like the balsamic vinegar and like just seasonings and then just added that to your normal recipes. That's
I hate
like
balsamic.
Aren't a lot of Mediterranean dishes with balsamic?
With a lot of olive oil, yeah.
Olive oil? Where should I find that?
Yeah, I don't think they use anything but olive oil. I think my last thing olive oil, I bought it at Sam's that lasted for fucking 20 years.
Okay, well. We'll have to make a dish one day.
We'll have to make a dish one day. Baby's like, I didn't even spend no time looking at it.
I did, but it said some typical ones were like, it said olive oil, and then the next one said bread, and then fish and cheese, like.
Yep. All the good stuff.
Get your omega-3s.
Yeah. Really healthy stuff.
I'm full, but I'm not too full for shit.
Did you fart?
No. What, did you smell something?
I smell something.
I would be trying to eat this if I smelled something.
I didn't fart.
Are you sure?
I'm positive.
Okay, I still don't smell something, so I think I'm good. What do you smell?
It smells like a fart, like somebody farted.
All I smell is this.
No. It was not that.
You left me to eat most of it for myself.
I told you I didn't. Well, I didn't tell you, but I don't really like them.
So good.
I don't like the squirty stuff in the middle.
My favorite part.
I don't know why. Usually I like stuff like that, but I don't like that.
I'm about to leave.
Huh?
I'm about to leave without my seatbelt. Little boys running around, causing a ruckus.
Yeah, I wonder why they're running around the parking lot.
It's like walking your dog. You gotta walk your kids. They're fighting on their way in.
Ooh. So Jasmine was just going to sleep whenever you saw her this morning?
Yeah, it was 9 o'clock.
That's why she's been sleeping till fucking 5 o'clock.
She needs to get a dang night job.
Yeah, that's what she wants.
Tell her to overnight stock at Walmart.
Yeah, that's what she wants.
Walmart's probably one of the worst jobs.
Yeah, it is. She would not like that.
She wouldn't like the management or anything.
I didn't.
Not that she knows anything about management, but
I couldn't stand it. The way they fucking... They act like you're retarded. You know what I mean? And... Mini escape massage.
oh, Miles has this massage chair, Mom. And then I was over there and helped him fry up the fish and stuff. And then, unrelated to when I fried the fish. And then he told me, Mama, go lay in the massage chair. I said, okay. He taught me how to use it the day before. Oh, okay.
Who is Miles?
Miles is the guy that started working at Blazer about a month ago, 2 months ago maybe. But me, him, and Jay became really good fishing friends. So we've been working on his mom's house that she's moving into, painting it and putting up new.
Oh, you should go look at that boat.
Oh yeah, I need to. She hasn't told me about it. She hasn't told me about the boat yet. I'll gladly look at it. I think I want someone to come with me to go look at it.
I'll go with you. Oh, somebody
that knows about boats.
I'll go with you.
Expertise.
Okay.
Make a little thing to hang the phone up.
Yeah, I know.
I'll probably stop phone right there.
Oh. I wonder if Ira came back.
Where's she been? Oh yeah, she's been in
North Carolina. She was supposed to come back yesterday morning. I ain't heard from Scott since then.
that woman's all over the place.
Somebody was talking about there's a chair out there on the road.
A little tore up.
Tore up from the flow up. Somebody said, yeah, I passed by the springs were coming out the bottom and shit. Yeah, but it's still got a good frame or something, they said.
Well, then go grab it.
I know, right?
You like it so much, go get it. Have you ever had Buffalo Wild Wings?
Nope.
It's not all that great.
I don't think it would be.
I mean, it's alright. It's just like, I feel like you can get the same type of stuff from like Zaxby's.
Yeah.
Like, it's nothing special.
I heard the other one's better. Well, I forget what it's called.
Wingstop?
Yeah. I heard they're good.
Oh, I never had Buffalo Wild Wings until Jason told me about it. You want some B-dubs? I was like, what the heck is B-dubs? I thought it was like slang.
B-dubs.
I guess it's slang. Kevin lives somewhere back here. There's his truck. I know where he lives now.
Found you.
Well, he told me he lived behind something. Because I didn't know, like, that's why what's his face works here, because he lives right behind Tom.
Really?
Yeah, what's his face that you like?
Owen? Osen? No, wait. What's his name?
Owen?
Owen.
I didn't mean to call him what's his face. Oh. We're not gonna talk about that.
Yeah, Jason don't like Owen because he says he's annoying. I said, that's such a sweet little boy, and they're always says, that's such a... And Jason goes, he's fucking annoying. Like, yeah, and I had that tasting then. Get your ass on the damn bike lane, fucker. Damn.
That shit's sketchy.
I know.
I'm gonna go start working out there. I wish I could have something to work out with.
Yeah, I saw that the other day and I was like, dang, I thought about you.
I would too. It's so expensive. I looked at the price on it. I was like, never mind. But then I just want to get my own. But I want to get more into calisthenics before I start doing that and getting one.
Yeah.
Because I already have the strength for it. I just want to build up that strength throughout my body and lose this extra weight that I have on me.
Well, he's gonna get out of prison and be like, where the fuck am I at?
Is this Pensacola, Florida?
Because I used to tell her, like, when they would make new things. Because it was once in a blue moon that we got something, you know?
Yeah, you're just updating her on everything.
Yeah. Because I remember Culver's. I told her about Culver's. And now Culver's have been there for 100 years.
Yeah. I need to go visit her. How far is she again? Like 6 hours?
No, about two and a half.
Oh. Definitely then.
Oh, you haven't been there yet, have you?
I've never seen her since she's been in.
Oh, shit, we need to go.
Last time I saw her was like her arraignment or something. Remember whenever
Sentencing.
her sentencing, yeah.
Yeah, that was horrible. Fucking judge.
We're going to your place first.
Yeah. Okay, I guess we close this thing down and see what comes out of it.
Not much probably, but
I
that's
know.
okay.
Nibbies.
Well, if like Jasmine like was here with us or something,
Yeah, I know, right?
like with some extra food.
And if I was well prepared, I was not prepared.
Okay, well we don't have to do this. We can always try another time when we have better food selection. Just popped up in my little head.
See ya.